Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. So it's been quite some time since I uploaded a video. That's mainly because I did not take a lot of trade. I did not trade. I think my first option trade in this year, if I'm not wrong, maybe. Yeah, I think it's my first option trade. Like this is like 4 months, right? So the reason why I'm inactive on YouTube is mainly because I am not active in trading. But I hope to do so in the upcoming months. So if I actively trade, there will be a lot of videos, but if I don't trade, there will not be much videos. And I don't like to upload videos just for the sake of it. I mean, I'm happy to explain my trades and whatever I do, but other than that, let's get back to this explanation video. Let me just show you my screen so that you know what kind of a trade. Oh wait. Okay. um, okay, so I hope you guys can see this chart of Banknifty in daily chart. Okay, so basically it's a very simple trade. Let me just delete all these. Okay, so a very simple chart, guys. If you look at it, Bank Nifty, it has been retracing here, and it took a support here, and it went up, touched this resistance line. Okay, and again there was a kind of a retrace consolidation. There was a gap down, and there was a gap fill. Again, there is a gap up. Okay, so this candle is where I took my trade. Basically it was here when this after the gap up. The reason is very simple. It has come out of the resistance line, and also it has gapped up, so that is usually a good bullish signal. You may think that, oh wait, as if I mean, as a beginner, not you, a beginner may think that, okay, so there has been a very good gap up already, and there is also a green candle. Why would I enter now? It's already too late. But if you think about it, this is a very good move, and it has been only consolidating to break this trend line, correct? I mean, I wouldn't enter if it breaks like this, and if there is a green candle here or something, I wouldn't be very sure. But because of this retrace and then the gap up is again a good signal. So these are the small things that you have to make. It's as I always say, it's not about the patterns. Patterns can be learned, candlesticks can be learned in a day or two, but how you correlate a lot of small minute details and you put together to come to a conclusion. Okay, so this is what I did, and I took the trade here. Okay, and I exited. Now I'll just show you. So the call is 54,000 May calls. I didn't want to take this monthly expiry because you never know, right? Like it could retrace for 2-3 days and then go up. It could retrace for a week and then go up. Anything can happen. So it is always better to trade in an expiry that is little far away, like month, at least 1 month away, which is what I did. And look at the profits. So it's when I closed it, it's around 134% profit, guys, or even more. So you can do the math and figure out the capital I used. It's a very simple trade. The reason for exiting is very simple again. Okay, it has been going up non-stop. As an option buyer, you shouldn't apply the same techniques that you use in swing trading the stocks. Swing trading, that's a totally different risk management. The rules are totally different in terms of risk management, entry, exit. In option buying, it's totally different. If you guys are quite new to the option buying, I would definitely consider joining my option course. If you guys want, I have explained everything in detail in simple way, because I still get a lot of doubts on my Instagram, but it's difficult to explain all that in a text. You can either check out my YouTube videos, which is again free, or if you've been making money or stuff from my YouTube channel, you can join my option course or any other course if you want. I will be active there from now on, because last week, if you notice, I posted on my Instagram story that I'm bullish on Indian stocks, stock market in general. And then 2 days back I took this trade, and this is just a warm up. Like, I will be warming up for at least 2 weeks. I don't want to take any kind of a big trade so far. It's like, when you get back to the gym after a long time, you don't do heavy weights initially, right? It's like that. Like, I want to warm up for 2 weeks or 3 weeks and see. You have to get a knack of where the market is going, and if you are in align with the market direction, and that is why you have to trade with small quantities. And then when you feel you are in the right direction and you feel the comfort, that's when you go big. So yeah, I mean, if all goes well, you will see big trades coming from here, and I will of course upload all my videos on my YouTube channel. And also feel free to join my course or anything. And what else, that would be all, guys. And yes, it does, I'm not a big fan of the recent rules that SEBI came up with regarding to influencer. I mean, it does, for some, it I know this industry is filled with bad actors, and yeah, like, I also understand why they are trying to do this, but it also comes at a cost. There are also a few genuine influencers in stock market, very few, but their work may get affected because of this, because there are few influencers who do good analysis on markets, and now they are not able to do so, which is again a big trouble for the retail investors. But again, there is like manipulation going, on, like, every day there is a stock manipulation. Even in Banknifty, it's not very hard to find manipulation. Maybe SEBI should really look into those things, than not just the retailer part, but also the manipulations done by all other big fund institutes. So I mean, it's very easy. Like, look at the media. Like, they literally manipulate stocks from media. So I don't understand why they focus too much here. But I think they have to figure out a way where it is also helpful to the retailers, and it does not impact the learnings for the retailers. Like, for me, because I'm not much into this YouTube, or I don't make much money from YouTube, so it really doesn't matter what kind of laws they come up with. I mean, I can not upload videos, or I don't do sponsors on my YouTube channel. I don't make any money out of it. But the only thing is, I genuinely like putting up my analysis videos sometimes. So whenever, last 2 weeks I was thinking about doing that, but again I had to stop myself because of the laws and everything. Let's see how this goes, and because of this I cannot tell anything. I just have to explain about my trades. I cannot tell you about where the Nifty is going or where the Banknifty is going. So it's gonna be like that until we get something from SEBI. Until then, yeah, I'm just gonna explain my trades again. If you just watch all my videos, and you will get, I mean, most of the people already know what I'm doing, how I analyze videos. Like, when I posted this trade on my Instagram, there was a guy who already messaged me, like, I took the exact same trade. And how did he do that? By following whatever I follow, right? So if you just follow my YouTube videos, you should be fine. But if you're new, I again suggest you to go through all my YouTube videos, which is free. And yeah, that would be all, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video with patience. See you soon again with another video.